I'm Patty Roberts, founder and director of Save the Animals Today, where saving animals' lives changes people's lives. We're located on 10 acres in Winchester, California, and currently support 43 horses and a variety of farm animals, including a huge cow that thinks he's a dog. It was never in my business plan to be a horse rescue, but in 2007, 23 horses were abandoned at the ranch and surrendered to the state of California. The state of California does not adopt out horses like it does dogs and cats, and the horses were going to be euthanized. It just seemed wrong to destroy them. The emotion of saving these horses' lives has passed, and the reality of caring for and feeding them is now ever present. In 2011, Save the Animals Today filed to become a 501c3 nonprofit corporation. Our goal is to provide a respectable retirement and end-of-life experience for the animals in our care. Most of the horses here at Save the Animals Today are ones that have outlived their usefulness. Aged horses or riding horses that have suffered a career-ending injury. Animals no one wants, but these beautiful animals still have years of life in them. We're totally staffed by volunteers and sponsors who help care for the horses. At Save the Animals Today, the only thing happier than the horse about to receive a carrot is the human giving it to them. We call it carrot therapy. We need your help to continue to provide for these horses. Our daily feed cost alone is $140. And there are monthly costs beyond feed, such as farrier, utilities, and insurance, and of course the inevitable veterinarian and end-of-life expenses associated with our horsey hospice care. So please, won't you consider joining our rescue family by donating, sponsoring, or volunteering? We can only save them with your help. Save the Animals Today. We're saving animals' lives, changes people's lives.